Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform a one sample student t-test using Microsoft Excel and my stikpetE add-in. My add-in is available at my GitHub account. Once you've downloaded the file, you can open Excel, go for File, Options, Add-ins and click on the Go button. Then browse for the file and that should install it, giving you access to a lot of additional functions I made for Excel. Now this is a test that you can use to test for a single average, a single mean. So for example, I have here some data with ages and I want to know if in the population the average age might actually be 49. Now the student t-test is one option. You could also use a trimmed mean test or a z-test, but the student t-test is probably the one most often used. So the function of interest is actually TS, short for test, student, T, and then OS for one sample. It takes as input the data, but please do not use an entire column. Really specify the range, so starting from the first one all the way till the last one in a vertical range. If you want, you can specify the hypothesized mean. I'll be using 49, but if you don't specify it, it will use the mid-range, so the maximum plus the minimum divided by 2. And that's all there is to it. It actually gives an array as a result, or a range if you will. And so here I just typed in the function, fed it the data, separated in my version in Excel the parameter with a semicolon. In your version that might have to be a comma. And I gave it the hypothesized mean. Now it returns the hypothesized mean, the sample mean, the t statistic, the degrees of freedom, which is actually simply the sample size minus 1, the two-sided p-value, which in this case is below 0.05, which usually is the threshold. So if it's below that, we would speak of a significant result, and therefore in the population most likely the true average will not be 49. And it gives a small description of the test that was used, or actually the name of the test that was used. Alright, I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.